We want your supply of food to be continual forever. So you will never run out of food again in your life. Not only will it be forever, but we structured these torpedopots to last you, we estimate between 5 to 15 years. So once you make a purchase, you have to make a purchase again for a long time. Again, all I do is walk into these planters, I throw my seeds in, or I put my plants in, I turn my planter on, and I have food for the rest of my life. And really, I harvest when I need to. I don't need to harvest every day of the week. These can grow till they reach maturity, and I don't have to touch them. And the ones that I want to harvest, if I get hungry or want something fresh, I'll just come out here and get it. I'm Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing concept called Torpedopot. These are self-growing planters. These planters grow your food with no human intervention. These are our Peapods. Isn't that beautiful? That's gorgeous. So I'm about to pick me some. See, with these self-growing planters, all I did was put my seeds in this planter, or put my plants in the planter, and it grows my food for me. I never, ever have to grow my food again. Wow, it's sweet. But I get food all the time. Welcome to Torpedopot. My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and the inventor of the Torpedopot. This Torpedopot will grow more food than conventional gardening and hydroponics combined. Well, that's 10 Torpedopots that are loaded with a lot of peas. All natural, fully organic, and there's more to come. And they're all over the place. Do you see anything dying? There's no death. You may see things getting old, but you don't see any dead plants in between dead plants in between dead plants. No. You're looking at 100% effective growth.
Realize a lot of people use fertilizers in their to feed their plants, and what we try to tell individuals is that fertilizers they're like a drug. What you do is that you put the fertilizer in, and it goes to the plant's root system, and the plant absorbs it up. But the plant is not going out and reaching and getting its food. The plant is not existing in an environment, a natural environment, where the microbes and the fungus are there to help break down those particulates and make them available to the soil. So you don't have that building soil process.
What we do is that we grow the microbial environment inside of this planter. And we feed the living organisms, and they're the ones that grow food. That's why our food is so perfect, because we don't grow it. We don't use synthetic fertilizers. We don't use all of the traditional methods you've been using in your soil. We don't do it because we understand how plants grow. No one can grow a plant. No one can do that. No one can grow your children. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in there, and Torpedopot creates an environment where your plant can take off and do things you've never seen before in your life, and that is grow your food. Plants grow themselves. I don't need to show you all my pretty flowers and plants because this growth is part of their genetic inheritance. I don't have to go through all that, make you feel like how great I am, because food grows by itself. All I do is put it in my planter and it grows for me. See, the proof is in the pudding. If you do not see results like this, you see how healthy this food is? In any garden show where somebody's coming out and picking their food and it's that healthy with no blemishes, then you need to change over to a Torpedopot. It's the world's first self-growing planter that grows your food with no human intervention. Your gardening is over, it's done. All of the turning over the ground that you had to do and the tillage that you had to do is done. I'm just getting started. I got collard greens, I got kale, I got so many plants that are growing in my Torpedopots. Radish behind me growing in my Torpedopot. I have food all of the time. You don't. Everything that you've done is going to waste. And look at the amount of food you're getting out of it. Here I have 4 feet of space. Just 4 feet of space. And I'm growing 250 pods. 250 snow pea pods. Who does that? Torpedopot is the only one that can do it. You can buy all the hydroponic systems you want for thousands of dollars, what you're paying for it. Torpedopot is a fraction of that cost. and they'll feed you for the rest of your life. If the seeds, matter of fact, when you grow your seeds in torpedo pot, you get to test if that seed's germination rate is correct. It's the only planter that scientifically allows you to do that. See, torpedo pot takes a different approach.